Are you ready for this? There is a whole lot of not much. Just kidding. New day, new challenges, more work. Yesterday with Jake, we debated on a new format, and that yielded some pretty good results. The problem we have is that we lack some funny content out there, because what I do here is pretty dramatic. I'm talking about building a new social network for the betterment of humanity that will change our lives forever, make things more fun, more engaging, just an overall better experience of social networks that you've never experienced before. But anyway, I'm lacking that funny format. We kind of found something that's in the theme of what we're building. I'll post a couple of those videos tonight. See what you think. On the more prosaic stuff, we're doing a tremendous job on getting the app forward. So really happy about that. There's a good chance we'll have a working beta really soon. What day are we? Follow for day 28 in the whole adventure.